Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of typecasting. So without further ado, before I start, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Okay, thank you very much for doing that. Very important, helps support the channel. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to create a function called Typecast1. This is the function here, typecast1, and we're going to create a variable which is going to be x, and we're going to assign it a value of 10. So what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to print, and I'm going to tell you what the type of this is. So type of x. So I want to know what data type it is. And what I'll do here is typecast1. Let's save it and run the program, and it'll tell us what the data type is here. So there we go. So its class is an integer. Okay, so I'm going to print something else here. So print converting to a float. So we're going to convert it to a floating type number here. So x is equal to float, which is going to be x, and we're going to print, and we're also going to print type as well, because we want to see that the data type has been changed. So that's x there. I can't find that, can I? Oh dear. It's where's it gone? There it is. Okay, so we're just going to save that and we're going to run it. Okay, so the first one was an integer and we changed that to a float. So so far so good. So we're just going to knock out this. I'm just going to call it typecast, why not? Okay, so we're going to do the second example here. So we're going to do something like y is equal to 10.00. Okay, print type. So we're going to look at the data type here of y. Let's just sort that out there. Let's run it. So class is a floating number. Right, so we're going to convert it to an integer. So y is equal to int, which is the integer y, and then print the type. This is going to be y. Okay, let's save it and let's run it. So run here. Okay, so it was a float and it's been changed into an integer. Okay, the next one we're going to do string, and we're going to call it var. Var there. I'm going to assign it string. Print type, which is going to be var. Okay, let's have a look at that. So the class is a string. Okay, then we're going to go var. Sorry, I got that mixed up. Sorry about that. I made a mistake there. I shouldn't have done that. Okay, so we're going to do this. In fact, we could assign a number to that. That will be better. So 12. Okay, so we'll assign a number to that. So let's run this. Okay, so class is an integer. Okay, Okay, and then we're going to change it to a string, so that's going to be var, that's equal to str string, that's going to be var, and then we're going to print the type. Var. Okay. Okay, so it was an integer and now it's been changed to a string. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.